Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to generate Amazon affiliate link. All right, so let's begin with the video. So how you can get your Amazon affiliate link for a very specific product on Amazon. This is done via SiteStripe. Now, if you don't see the SiteStripe bar, it's probably because you're not logged into your Amazon Associates account. So go to Google and search for Amazon Associates, then find the Amazon Associates account you want to use. We can then click on the Amazon.com website and then we'll log in. It will ask us to log in so we can log into our account. Here, click on these three lines and then Home. We then want to go to Tools and select SiteStripe. Here, if you click on Learn More here, make sure that SiteStripe is enabled. That will allow you to grab the link for any product. Now we can search for a product, so I just search for a microphone. You can grab the link to this page by clicking Get Link. Or if you want to grab the link for a specific product, click on the product you want to grab the link for and then click Get Link. When it loads, this link will go directly to the product, and if someone buys it, you will earn a commission on that. So that's basically how you can generate Amazon affiliate link. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.